In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort your Google Drive files by size. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you're trying to manage your storage space or simply want to know what's taking up the most room in your drive. Now, we all know Google Drive is a great tool for storing various files, from documents to videos, but navigating through all of them can feel like finding a needle in a haystack. Sorting by size is a great way to quickly identify the largest files occupying your storage, freeing up space where you need it most. First, let's start by going to the home page of your Google Drive. Simply open your web browser and head to the Google Drive homepage. You might already be quite familiar with this step if you've used Google Drive before, but if you're new, you'll want to make sure you're signed into your Google account. This is essential because Google Drive is linked directly with your Google account and all your Drive files are stored there. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage and signed in, glance over to the left hand side of your screen. You'll notice a sidebar with several options. What you want to do next is click on Storage. This section gives you an overview of how much space you have used and offers some tools to manage your files. Clicking on Storage will bring you to a detailed page where you can see all the files within your drive, accompanied by information about each file such as name, date modified, file type, and crucially their size. Now here's the trick to sorting your files by size. Look for the area that shows storage used near the top of your file listings. You'll see alongside it a small arrow icon. This arrow is your key to sorting the files. Clicking on this arrow will rearrange your files according to their size, from largest to smallest. If you have a lot of files, you might need to give it a moment to sort everything, especially if your drive is packed with a mixture of file types. And that's all there is to it. With a few simple steps, you've successfully sorted your Google Drive files by size. Now if you're looking to clear up space, it's easy to identify bulky files you can delete or move elsewhere. Keep in mind, regularly checking your larger files and managing them can help you optimize your storage space, ensuring you always have enough room for the most important documents and memories. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes managing your Google Drive a little bit easier. Thanks for watching and see you next time.